Concrete is the most used material in the world after water. But civilization's building block has a massive problem. Cement, which is the glue that holds it together, is responsible for 8% of global greenhouse emissions. Concrete must change. As you'd expect, industry is scrambling to come up with new, low-carbon ways to replace cement. Increasingly, these methods are innovative and complex, but due to the massive scale, the world uses 4 billion tonnes of cement each year. These solutions tend to be high capex with long lead times and increasingly expensive, creating a green premium that industry is not willing to pay. Hi, my name is Matt Kennedy-Good, and together with Zarina Alexander, who I would say has not yet approved this photo, we came up with Neocrete as a way to rethink the solutions to this hard challenge. Right from the beginning, we designed Neocrete for efficiency. We engineered efficiency into every part of our solution. Just a small amount of Neocrete's activator makes materials found abundantly throughout the world behave like cement. But we're not processing or needing to process 4 billion tonnes of it. We're only needing to process a very small amount. That makes Neocrete scale fast, low cost, and create a green profit instead of green premium. We're proven in market in New Zealand and Southeast Asia, and now we're moving to the EU and UK, where we have huge market demand and are raising Series A of about 10 million euros to scale across the UK to meet that demand. Neocrete works using chemistry. Just a small amount of fine powder Neocrete activator makes materials far more reactive, meaning that they perform like cement, providing concrete with the strength and durability it's famous for. Because we can engineer benefits into this activator, we've also engineered it to confer additional durability and water tightness as we face increasing climate uncertainty and weather events. This engineered efficiency means we literally move mountains, like this one here. Just a small amount of Neocrete can make this huge, partially cementitious material behave like cement, just without the cost. This material, or these materials, are found all over the world in abundance, but until now, they were uneconomic or impossible to activate to make behave like cement. We can do it, and we can do it at a low cost. This engineered efficiency means we are orders of magnitude cheaper than other green cement alternatives. We can produce cement equivalents at huge scale with only a tiny amount of the cost. This engineered efficiency means we plug into industry, working with them instead of disrupting them. We have scalable, distributed manufacture, and we meet current standards. For our customers, this means we save them money, increasing their margin while decreasing their carbon footprint. We create a green profit instead of a green premium. Now, there's one thing I'm sure a lot of you have experienced before, and that is that customers, especially in the building industry, are willing to pay precisely net zero for net zero. We make it possible. For us, on our business side, this engineered efficiency means we are profitable, or at least our plants make money, a margin. Even our first small plant in New Zealand exporting to Southeast Asia has that healthy margin. Our next plant in the EU is going to have 10 times the capacity and going to have a margin up around 50%. Our customers include the cement industry, concrete industry, and even energy companies. Neocrete is concrete for all occasions. As you'll see here, we've been proven in pilot projects including an apartment building that won awards in New Zealand, in roads in Southeast Asia, in a water tank and floor slabs and other projects. It is this engineered efficiency why Neocrete is today working with the biggest names in the cement industry and concrete industry, representing 30% of global cement supply. It's why we were chosen for CRH's accelerator from over 100 different companies in 2025. It's why in 2023, the Global Cement and Concrete Association chose Neocrete from over 70 applicants as one of 4 technologies with potential to decarbonize the global industry. We've achieved this with an amazing team with experience and proven track record across the concrete science world, business, and industry. We've got a fantastic culture of strength and trust and support that you'd expect from a company and technology founded on concrete. Our traction has been increasing in velocity. In December 2023, we closed a seed round led by Wavemaker Partners from Singapore. And in 2024, we went from lab to slab. We established our first manufacturing plant in New Zealand, found our first customer, and sold our first container in December 2024. In the EU and UK, we're experiencing huge demand. Customers are desperate to reduce carbon as carbon taxes are on the way. They're also keen to reduce cost and make use of these materials found abundantly throughout the region. This is where it comes to you. We're raising Series A, as I said, about 10 million, to scale across the EU and UK and meet this existing customer demand. Neocrete's mission is to reduce global carbon emissions by 1% each year from 2033, but do it with a green profit, not green premium. If you're interested in helping solve one of civilization's hardest problems, I'm really keen to have a chat afterwards. Thank you.